Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video it is time for a new nail polish of the week video. In my nail polish of the week video is, as the name already described, a video where I will swatch one particular nail polish color and talk about it. So yeah, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But let's start with the application. First up, you want to start off with clean nails, so remove any dust or oils or maybe even some leftover nail polish from your previous manicure. Just remove it all and start off with a clean fresh base and go in with your favorite base coat. As usual, I am using my favorite one, which I've been raving about in so many videos. This is the base coat by PJR Care nail polish. It is a Dutch brand. Unfortunately, they don't ship worldwide just yet, but definitely just ask them at Instagram what the options or possibilities are if you're really interested in them. I also have a 25% discount code that you can use. I'm not getting paid or anything like that to share it. I just really genuinely love this brand, as you might have already noticed, because I use their base and top coat so much in my videos and in daily life as well, because it might sound a little crazy, but I don't actually record every single manicure that I do. Of course, I do record a lot of different nail art videos, swatches, reviews, the whole shebang. But yeah, there actually are some manicures that never come up at my channel. So yeah, I actually use this brand really often. If you want to check out and use the discount code, I always leave it in the description box down below. So yeah, definitely check it out and save a little money if you're going to purchase some of their items. But after your base is completely dry, definitely just let it dry for a couple of minutes. With the base that I used in this particular video, it dries within like 2 minutes. So after applying it to the final nail, I can already start applying my color polish to my thumb. But for this week's nail polish of the week color, I'm going in with a color by Essence from their Shine Less and Go collection. This one is number 37. It is called Don't Worry, and it is just a very lovely light brown neutral, like nude, wearable kind of color. As you might have seen already when I showed you the brush with the color, there was one bristle sticking out, which was just a little longer. I just got it off with one of my small like nail scissors, so I didn't have any like hassle with that longer bristle, because you know that will give a little bit of a mess if you are going to apply the polish near to the cuticle area. So if you do have a brush like that with maybe some sparse like bristles sticking out all of the place, just cut them short, cut them down to the length of the rest of the brush, so you don't have like extra cleanup work to do afterwards if that bristle might have some polish on it and spill it onto the cuticle or onto your skin or anything like that. Just a little tip from Aunt Femke, you know. But yeah, this first application, it is still a little sheer, but I didn't expect it to be super opaque within the first coat. Even after applying the second coat, it was still a little bit sheer on some places on my nail plate, but I didn't really mind it as much. So yeah, don't judge the nail polish by its first coat, because I am always at least applying 2 coats of my colored polish anyway. So yeah, that first coat, of course, make sure to cap off the edges of your nails, especially if you have longer nails like I do. And of course, I still have my little shorty in this particular video on the ring finger. I actually had a big tear right in the nail plate. It was a bloody mess back in February this year. So yeah, I'm still growing my nail long and strong. But yeah, you know, I also had a tear, or still actually have a tear on my thumb as well, and that is why there still was a little bit of gel polish top coat on there. That is just something that I love to do if I don't want to shorten my nail, or maybe it's not possible to shorten the nail yet because the tear is right on like the part of your living flesh nail bed, if you know what I mean. So yeah, sometimes just adding a little bit of like a gel base and a top coat, and maybe even patch the tear a little bit with like the tea bag technique, that can help a lot if you want to grow it out for a couple of more weeks, just to make sure it won't get a painful bloody mess if the tear actually rips further. So yeah, I'm already applying the second coat here. I did feel like it was still a little sheer, as I mentioned, but I really didn't mind it that much. It was just a little in-between manicure for me that I wore a couple of days to work, just to make sure I had some polish on my nails, just for a little extra protection, because some of you might already know, but I do have a very manual full-time job that I actually work 5-6 days a week. So yeah, I always make sure I have some protection on my nails, just to make sure I don't get any additional tears or any stuff like that. And of course, to finish off this manicure, or any manicure for that matter, go in with your favorite top coat. Of course, I'm using the one by PJR Care nail polish. This one dries so fast, has a super glossy finish, and it actually prevents my nails from getting chips or tip wear or anything like that. It is just a really nice top coat, and I can highly recommend it to anyone. Actually, it doesn't really matter if you have long nails or short nails, whether you're a guy or a girl, it really doesn't matter. It is an awesome top coat. And just something I wanted to share as well, because I do know there is like, I kid you not, there's like 33% of my viewers is actually male. So yeah, don't like be shy if you are a guy and you're wearing nail polishes. Definitely let me know in the comments down below if you're a guy or a girl, and if you wear nail polishes as well, because I don't judge, and I feel like nobody should judge anyone for wearing nail polish, whether you're a guy or a girl, or what your like personal preferences are. Like, it doesn't matter. Wearing nail polish is, for me, a way to express myself, and I feel like it's open to any age, any gender, no matter where you come from. Like, I feel like it is such an open, creative medium, let's just put it at that yeah, I think it's pretty cool if you're a guy and you're wearing nail polishes. I think that's like seriously, it's pretty cool. So yeah, definitely let me know in the comments down below if you are a guy and you wear nail polishes, and if you do, let me know what your favorite color is, because I'm always really curious to hear about that. And also let me know what you're wearing on your nails right now, no matter what your gender is. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in my next video.